Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be installing this cargo net. Now, kind of a fun story. Well, if you're looking for just how to install this, go ahead and fast forward a minute or two. For those that want to stick around for a kind of funny story, it'll be worth it. So, the previous video that I put out, I didn't have the right tools to install this, so I kind of like clamped it to the side of the bed. And it was like, this is what it'll look like. But what I didn't realize is that I actually installed it upside down. And a few people pointed out, and I was like, yeah, I should probably redo that. So this is kind of my redemption video for that. Now, the vehicle I had before this was a Mustang. I've never used a cargo net, and I've never installed one before. And I'm not super handy, so I was like, whoops. But the thing about YouTube is, in order to have a successful YouTube channel, you always want your video to be a little better than the last. So the last video, I did not install it properly. This video, I'm going to do just a little bit better and actually install it the right way. So let's get to the install. All right, guys, so step one for the cargo net install, you can see it says remove the screws in the circled area. So that would be this one. So you'd remove this screw and you'd remove that screw. You can use different tools. I'm just using this. But yep, just take those two screws out and then you'll replace them with the screws that are in the bag. Now that we've gotten that screw out, we'll take the screw that they provided and just stick it in there and screw it in. That's all there is to it. And then you just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that we have both of these in nice and tight, it'll come with these 4 clips. You want to make sure you clip it on each end. You want to make sure that the opening is at the top and where it's sealed is at the bottom. So we'll just take this, hook it on there. It's like a regular clip. You take the bottom piece, clip that on there. Do the same thing on this side. And the same thing on the bottom. And there you go. That is the finished product. So you can put whatever you need here in the back. Nice quality, fits well, and you can also close the trunk with that net still in there if you need it. So there is the final product. It takes 5 minutes to install. I'd say the hardest part is just getting those factory screws out. Everything else is a breeze, which that's not super difficult itself. But yeah, so there is the bed cargo net fully installed. And I will have the link in the description to this bed net if you're looking to get one yourself. And that's all I got for you today.